you are preparing for placements or recruitment, you know what a smart guy should do? A smart guy should first build his resume. This is because a strong resume speaks a lot more than your words to the interviewer. But how to build your resume? Hello, vanakkam friends. This is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. And this is my channel and I make these videos on free courses, certifications, recruitments, etc. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss such updates. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get free courses and certifications that help you build your resume. By building your resume, you need to have such certified certifications. Udemy is such one where you can get a certificate which is valid throughout the world. By the way, Udemy is an online learning platform where students and professionals learn courses by paying some amount. But now, on my website and my channel, you are going to get these courses for free. Let's get started. So, as part of giveaway, as we have reached 1k subscribers, I am bringing you this course. Not just this course, lot more courses. See, the actual price of this course is 12,800 rupees. But to my subscribers and to my website followers, I am bringing this course absolutely for free. And coming to the details of this course, this is a 7.5 hours long video lectures with one article, one practice test. And once you enroll to this course, you can get the course for your lifetime. It means you can complete this course whenever you want and can get the certificate. At the end of this course, you will get a certificate of completion if you complete this course. You can check it out the details. You can learn how to set up RStudio or Crash. That means you are going to learn R programming and etc. in this course. This is about neural networks course. This is really important for computer science engineers. And let us see something on some other course. And this course is communication skills, CV interview and business letter. And the actual cost of this course is 1600 rupees. And I'm going to provide this course for free to my subscribers. You will get a course of 29 hours long video. I'm sure you are going to learn a lot with this course. At the end of this course, you are going to get a certificate of completion. You can access this course on your mobile and TV. And most importantly, most of the students are not watching this video till the end and being trapped under the technical errors. In order to not to get into errors, watch this video till the end to know how to enroll and complete the course and get the certificate. Because I may speak the important things at any point of time in the entire video. So this is about communication skills course. You can check out the details of this course. You can see how you need to communicate and what are the barriers of communication, etc. And you're also going to learn the interview skills, business etiquette, etc. So that is about communication skills. So no matter whatever the branch, whatever the course, whatever the degree is, anybody can enroll for this course. And let us see this course. This is data visualization in Excel. You're going to learn the data visualization in Excel. This is really important for everyone. No matter whatever the branch is, you can get this course. You can check out the course is 4.5 hours long, 4.5 hours, and you can download 49 resources of this course. You are going to get 2 practice tests, full lifetime access, and a certificate of completion. And this is about this course. I think this is really sounds good. Oh, the course is machine learning. Now I'm going to talk about the machine learning course. You're going to learn the decision trees, random forest, ArrayBoost, XGBoost in Python. You're going to get learn some topics, some random and hot topics of machine learning on this course. Alright, I hope this will be very much helpful to the IT guys. And there is a 7 hours long video course and 3 articles and 19 downloadable resources. Full lifetime access to this course. By the way, if you are accessing this course on your mobile, say your mobile application, in order to get the certificate, you have to come on to the browser and download the certificate. because on Udemy you and Udemy mobile applications, that means apps, you cannot download the certificate of completion. So kindly I request you all to come on to the mobile browser after completing the course on your app and download the certificate on mobile browsers or your desktop. So this is the most important thing. If you are following any application, you need to remember this. So that is about this course, and I really loved this course. You can even. The next course is, did I even talk about? Yes, I think I have talked about everything here, right? You can also learn Microsoft Excel from scratch. This is helpful for any other techie guy who wanted to learn computer science, not just coding. This is also really important in order to know how to handle the courses, like how to handle your computer, how to handle the data, etc. Right? This is really helpful, and any guy like from degree also get this course. And this is about this course. You, as usual, you can get this course from your like this is just 44 minutes videos, and you're going to get a lifetime access and a certificate of completion. By the way, you can get this course on your mobile phone and television. And now let us see how you can get this course for free. As usual, you cannot get this course directly on Udemy platform because they charge some amount in order to let onto this course and get the certificate. But by my website, I'll provide the link to my website. This is my website. Come on to this website and click on this free courses. This is free courses, right? And now you can see this Udemy free courses. Click on this post. You'll be redirected to this post. Please do kindly check this. Once you check, read this all, and most importantly, please do not forget to share this video with your friends, because sharing is caring. If you share this video today, one day or the other your friend will also share such an interesting update to you. So this is about this course. You can get and check the details of all this course, etc. here. And once you come on to here, you can see the courses, right? You only need to click on these links to get these courses for free. I have provided all the 5 courses here. By this way, on my website, you are going to get most of the Udemy courses absolutely for free. And I keep on updating the website with free Udemy courses, not just Udemy courses. You can also check this Accenture free courses here, because I made another video on free courses from Accenture. Please do kindly watch this video because this is going to really helpful to each and every IT guy. And so that is about this video. I'll provide the link to this here there, and once you click on this course, it will be redirecting you onto the Udemy platform. There you can access the course and get the course absolutely for free. Let's see, am I speaking correct? Yes, this course is for free. So now if you are new to this platform, do not forget to sign up and then click on this enroll now. If not, click on login, provide your password, and then click on sign in button. This is how you are going to log on to your account. Once you have logged on, you just need to click on enroll now. That's it, you are going to get it. So now this course is free, and this is neural networks, and I am subscribing to this course, clicking on enroll. You can see this, we are sorry, this promotion is not available. However, this is available because this is being provided by the EduSmart, right? Click on enroll now. So this is how you are getting this course for free. Now you can see this great choice. Thereafter you can start the course, you can check it out your progress. So that's all for this video. I'll be back with another interesting video very soon. Till then, keep stay tuned with our YouTube channel. Thank you guys.